Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Polokwane City nil. Match reaction time. Smash a like, get your thoughts down on the comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. 3 points in the bag, another clean sheet. So it's 2 wins from 2, 6 points from a possible 6. 2 clean sheets from 2 games, 3 goals scored, none conceded. This is how you start the league, mate. This is how you start the league. I don't remember the last time Kaizer Chiefs won 2 games in a row. So to win the first 2 games of the league, that's a really, really positive sign. In the game, I think it was one of those games where we didn't create much. It was one of those games where we didn't look like scoring. But we managed to score and got the maximum points. There are games last season in which we played like the way we played today and ended up not getting anything from the game. So we should be grateful we managed to get the 3 points today. We still have a lot to fix. As I mentioned in my match preview, I said last season we were struggling against teams who implement a low block, and I think today we also that we are still struggling in that aspect. So it's something we really need to work on, because second half, maybe around the 70th minute, I was definitely sure we're not going to score, because we were struggling to break them down. We couldn't get inside their own box. We were playing too many back passes, too many sideways passes, and we're becoming impatient. Sometimes we're forcing a pass. So it's one of those games, man, where you don't play really well, but you end up with the 3 points. So we'll fix going forward. It's better to fix with 3 points than to fix with nothing. Once again, the subs win it for us. Frosler with the assist, Specific Lovu with the goal. So once again, the coach gets his substitution rights. Good work is done in these 2 games. Another man of the match performance from Aiden McCarthy. Very, very solid. Polokwane City were playing many balls in behind, and he was dealing with them very, very well. Well deserved man of the match. Because definitely the man of the match award wasn't going to come from our offensive players. So I think it's a well-deserved man of the match. Another clean sheet for Brendan Peterson. I think he did really well in the first half. That's where he was tested. I think he first faced like 3 shots. He was dealing with crosses very well. So 3 points in the bag, man. 3 points in the bag. Very, very grateful for the 3 points. We go rest now. Checking on Richards Bay in our next match. It's home. It's a match we should win. Is it home? I'm not sure. We'll still check, but it's a match we should win. We have all the confidence in the world. So yeah, man, this was just a quick match reaction. Thanks for watching. Smash a like, get your thoughts down on the comment section. I'm out.